Yo, it's Gilds, and today we're going to be showing you how to get no lag, or next to no lag, on Android devices. Now this will work for Agario, or any other game you want to play, but I'll show you how to do it anyways. So you're going to want these two apps right here, Greenify and Kill Apps. And then there's also another thing I'll show you at the end. But anyways, I'll just start by uninstalling these, and then I'll show you how to get them. Uninstall, because you need the pro version of them. Alright, so now we're going to the Play Store. Well, as you can see, my phone is not very fast. On the Play Store, we'll type in Kill Apps. We search that, and we install this app. And we also type in Greenify. Now for low-end devices, or even fast devices, even if you've got the best bloody device on Android, you'll want to install these two apps right here. Because while you're playing the game, it just makes everything so much more smooth. Even when you lock your phone, it makes everything so much more smooth. And it just gives you the full potential out of your phone that you should always be getting, but you don't get, for no reason. So we're going to show you how to do that. You're also going to want one other app, okay? I'll show you how to get that. It's called Lucky Patcher. You just type in Lucky Patcher on Google. And then we click on this one at the top. And we just scroll down. And we click Download Lucky Patcher Installer. We just download that one. And then download the latest version on the top. I already downloaded it, but once you download it, you just click install, install, install. Yes. Install, okay. Now Greenify is downloaded. We'll open up this app. We just click next, and we'll click my device is not rooted mode. If you are rooted, you click the second one, but this is for how to do it with no root. Now you want to click grant permission. On this, you just look for Greenify, click allow, and then click back, and then click finish. Now you want to click the plus sign. You want to click show more apps, and you want to select every single app. Every single app. Every single one, guys. Once you've selected them all, click the plus, and they'll all be added into there. If you've got some apps that don't close, like Messenger or stuff like that, and you do want them to close while you're playing a game, you hold down on an app like this one. This one sometimes never closes. Click the three dots, and then you can click here to close it all the time. That's not working at the moment anyways, but here you click the Z. Here you click the Z, and that will close all of them background apps. But you see how it says here, no need to hibernate. Just select them all. That means they're open in the background. Just click Z. Alright. But you need to activate this. Greenify, here we go, activate that, allow. Then you go back. And you select everything, and you just click on. Oh yeah, sorry about that. I said I closed the recording. So you just select all the apps and go like this. Select them all. It says background free, but you want to close everything, and then press the Z up the top, and that'll go through, and that'll force close every application. As you can see, they're actually open in the background but not being used. There is no need for them to be open in the background. All of these apps are open in the background for no need. Okay. So as you can see, all these apps are getting automatically closed. and just wait for them to all get closed. And you should always check this app and make sure they're all closed. Now I've only got this one app open. That's because I'm using it. Now if you tap it once like that, just not a whole tap, just tap once, then click the settings here. Oh no, not the settings, the three dots. And click ignore working state and ignore background free. And that means it will always close it no matter what. And then yeah, there's different modes there that you can mess around with. But if you want it to always close it, you go ignore working state or ignore background free, and that will close it always if it's not closing an app in every now and then. Alright. Now we're gonna move to the second app. We got Kill Apps, but we need Lucky Patcher. I've already installed Lucky Patcher, so I'm just gonna open it and show you how to do it. You can work out how to install Lucky Patcher, it's easy. I'm just gonna click keep, click no. Now in Lucky Patcher, we're gonna look for Kill Apps. You're gonna go menu of patches, create modified APK. APK rebuilt for in-app and level emulation or whatever it says, and then click rebuild app. Leave it on the one that it's already on. Just click OK. Let that do its thing. Alright, we're just waiting now for that to do its thing. I'll just click no. I don't know why it says sometimes there's a new version even if you have the latest version. This can take a little bit. Normally it's done within 2 minutes. These two apps will significantly make your phone faster. Like a lot. They'll stop your background processes from being always used max to being not used at all. Gives your phone power to do what it needs to do. Alright, so right now click go to file once that's done. And we go to the home screen. Alright. And we find Kill Apps and we uninstall it. Uninstall. Now go recent apps and open up Lucky Patcher and just tap install. Click yes. Click install. Make sure you've allowed Lucky Patcher to be able to install apps for you. You just have to enable it. What this will do, we'll be getting the pro version of Kill Apps. And click launch once it's installed. Once we're inside of Kill Apps, we want to activate Kill Apps Pro. To do that, we just click System Apps right here, and then it'll say you need to purchase it. But I think it's telling me I've already purchased it. I'm just going to clear the app really quick. It's because I've already had this app installed. Just going to go storage, clear cache, and clear data. And then I should have to do it again. Alright, here we go, Kill Apps. Oh no, it still says I have the pro version. Alright, but anyways, once you click System Apps, it will pop up, you need to buy pro version, okay? And just click buy pro version, and then click enable both the tabs that it has there, and click yes, okay? Like remember. Alright, and look, these are all the apps your phone has open. All of these are open right now, okay? So what we're going to want to do is, we just click this plus here. If we want to close all user apps, we want to close all the system apps, which is 110 bloody apps. Look at that, guys. 110 apps. We just click the plus. But once I click this, the recording is going to stop. So I'm just going to click this and show you at the start. Oh, you got to go show the setting, install services, and Kill Apps. Otherwise, it doesn't have the ability to close other apps. Once you do this, go back and click the plus now. It's going to close all your apps. Oh, and you got to do this one too. Alright, this is going to close 110 apps. Alright guys, now that we are done with both of those apps, we want to, actually inside of Greenify, you want to make sure in the settings, you want to have automatic hibernation here turned off. And you can click always ignore background free here to close apps that are open in the background, to force close them basically. You just choose if you want that on. In smart hibernation, you want that turned on too. Alright. And so yeah, you can just close apps, bang, you close them like that. And you also want to click create hibernation shortcut and choose for what one of these you want. I just go for sleep and hibernate. And so when you want to lock your phone, basically you go like this. You hold down on the app and you click sleep and hibernate. And when you lock your phone, you save significant battery life. It is crazy. Or if you just want to close all apps, then you just click hibernate now and close all your apps. But it's not closing this one because I'm using it, and this one because I'm using it. But basically, if I wanted it to close that one, you go into here and close it like this, and that'll force close it. But to make it force close it itself, you go into the settings. No, not like that. You click, tap it, go to settings, then go ignore working state, ignore background free, and then next time you go to hibernate, it'll automatically hibernate that one for you. Okay, I feel like I've explained that enough. So let's move on to the next steps. We're done with the apps now, so we're going to want to go into settings. We want to go to Wi-Fi. Then we want to go to more connections. We want to turn off nearby device scanning. Now this will help a lot with device performance and battery life. Also turn off Bluetooth Wi-Fi calling. No need for them to be on. Alright. Next, we want to go down to location. Want to turn that off. And basically turn off all of this stuff. It makes a difference. Yeah, just turn all that off. Google location history. Oh, go away. Yep, turn it off. Okay, Google location sharing, you want that off too. Okay. Alright, and the last things we're going to want to do is open up settings. And there's just one I forgot in location. You go into location. You have to have it turned on to change this, but you go improve accuracy and turn both of these off. That improves your battery life and your performance. And then go ahead and turn all of location off. Okay, I'm back out of there. Once we're out of there, we want to go to Google settings. And we want to click the top right and click usage and diagnostics. And we want to turn this off. That'll normally be on for you. Make sure you turn that off. And then you can also click ads and you go opt out of ads personalization. Go okay. That'll stop Google from listening to you and giving you little ads and stuff personalized for you. So if you realize when you're talking about something, then you get an ad about it, that's why, because it was listening to you via that setting. So just turn that off. And this should significantly improve your performance of your device. And you can, okay, while we're in the settings app, you want to scroll down to advanced features and scroll down to motions and gestures. Just above that it says reduce animations. Now that'll save your battery life and your performance a lot. Alright, and the last setting is you have to go into settings and type in optimization or optimize and click on optimize battery usage, or you can just go to applications. So you scroll down, look for applications, apps, then you click the three lines on the top, then you click special access, then click optimize battery usage. Now find Agario. So you go all and find Agario and make sure it's not ticked. Now for my phone it was ticked. Now this means your phone will automatically limit some functions like network and battery power. So now my game will be running at full speed. Okay, so that's what you want. And you want every single other app to be ticked yes. So you don't want a single app that's not ticked yes. Make sure they're all ticked, optimized, apart from Agario. Alright? And then you're done there. Alright, you can even scroll through and find it like that. Just make sure it's not optimized. Alright. With battery. That background activity. And I'll say optimized battery usage. Not optimized. Alright. If it says optimized, that's bad. You want it not optimized. Alright. So there you go.